Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now by confirming the right power and interface. Plug into the specified 24V or device-rated adapter and use a grounded outlet to avoid resets. Once powered, connect the printer to your host via USB, Ethernet, or Bluetooth depending on your workflow and driver availability. Next, load a thermal roll with the thermal side facing the plate. Align the 1/2 core and feed through the paper path. These steps ensure correct data flow and avoid jams. Once connected, install the updated driver or firmware. This controls DPI, density, and language emulation. You should select the correct OS driver and confirm the printer model to prevent garbled output. In the driver, set DPI and print density to match your labels and choose the exact page size so layouts align. Make a test print and run the cutter/alignment routine. If print shifts or fades, adjust density and speed. This yields predictable, repeatable output for label workflows. Finalize by physically securing the printer and routing cables with strain relief to prevent disconnects during operation. Integrate the device into your POS or ERP, set the correct character encoding, and ensure the driver sends the proper cut and feed commands. Once done, run a batch print to validate throughput. If problems occur, like blank areas, cutter failures, or communication errors, check system logs, paper path for debris, firmware version, and power stability. Then perform a controlled reset to clear temporary faults.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.